So gentlemen, the ship at shore worth for no more. So hello you beautiful people out there, hope you all are fine, and today I'm gonna unbox this Prepladder new 2021 packages in which there are total 19 subjects. So let's unbox without any further ado. Let's dive into the video. I have this funny scissor. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, let's begin. So, oh my god, there's nothing. At least I was expecting a bag from the Prepladder side, because many of my friends order, they just got the bag, and I was expecting something good gift, but there was nothing. There is just an envelope out there. It's okay, no issue. I do have many bags. Okay, so bring the camera close. So gentlemen, without any further ado, let's wrap the package. And just before, make sure you have subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't, then just subscribe it right now. I'm a doctor too. I know my viewers are doctor too. So for the sake of doctors, subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's begin. The first note that comes here is anatomy. And my goodness, you know, this is really so thick. And I have the earlier version of it, which is really thin as compared to the newer version. You can check. This is the older version and this is the newer version, and you can see the difference between those. And the reason why I ordered the new notes is, you know what, I heard there is some updates from the Prepladder team, and that's why I just ordered these notes. Yeah. So next is medicine. So let's check more. Another is ENT, biochem, emergency medicine. I think this is the additional subjects out there. Yeah. Dermatology. This is ophthalmology. Surgery volume 2. There are two type of volume in surgery too. Yeah. Ops and gyna. Radio. Psychiatry. Surgery volume 2. Pediatrics. PSM. Medicine volume 1. I have an older version of these two. Pathology. My goodness, looks like it's too difficult, because earlier I just read it was just half than that. Just believe me. Gentlemen, do you have any idea why this is so thick? The newer version are so thick as compared to the previous one. As you can see in every notes, there are some blank space out here as a barik form. You can point out whatever you think is in your own language and to understand better for yourself. Okay, it's pharma, it's physiology, it's micro, it's ophthalmology, and it's forensic medicine, and last one is anesthesia. So in the next 5 minutes, what I'm gonna say is really means keep your vision intact and your auditory canal too, because it's really gonna work for all of you which who are gonna listen this, that these all are the 19 subjects. Along with that, a new additional subject also came. We have to study anyhow. You know what, this is what we all are built for. It really looks like these all are so lot to study, so lot to go. You are gonna be a future doctor, you are gonna be a savior. After God, you are gonna take the place. So it really needs a lot of hard work, your proper dedication, devotion and determination. So keep your vision intact. Already I said you earlier, do your work with proper gesture, posture and your attire in order to get every success that comes in your life and achieve the prophecies. So indeed you need to work hard for that. And total, you can see there are a lot of books which I have to go through in 6 months. Within 6 months, a span of 6 months, I will complete these all 19 subjects, and after that I'm gonna solve the question, and after that 3 months again I will give to the second revision, and 1 month in third revision. That's how the toppers are built for, you know. They didn't do anything in one night, just studying one day before the exams. It's really need a lot of hard work, proper dedication, devotion and determination. Without this you can't do anything, man. You are gonna be a doctor, you know. Things are not so easy, it needs a lot of hard work. So gentlemen, the ship at shore worth for no more. This is what we can correlate with here. We have all 19 subjects here, so we have miles to go, you know, and we have milestone in front of me or anyone else who are preparing for this, you know, NEET PG. You have to cross the barriers, obstacles, and achieve the prophecies. With this expectation that you will also utilize this in your daily life, I just want to quit my video, but before that, this is what we have. So this is some good comments out here. Really, I don't need that because I'm a self-motivated boy. Anyway, I was expecting something good from Prepladder. There was no package like that, as the Prepladder didn't committed me that they will provide any such gifts also. So the Prepladder is here really innocent. So, and last one is here. You can check this. This is all what we have in this today's unboxing video. So with this expectation that you will utilize this in your daily life, I end my today video, and make sure to subscribe my channel. I know you haven't, and you watch the video and you haven't subscribed to my channel, so just subscribe it right now, okay, and like the video, okay. Till then, see you in next video, and bye bye.